Hey everybody, Dave Morehead here. I just wanted you to be able to see the face that goes along with the voice that's in all these videos. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of my channel to explain to you why I started it and how I got started as a vegan. In 2014, I signed up for Netflix and I started watching some food documentaries, and I became very intrigued at what I saw. I saw a lot of people getting healthier by eating a plant-based diet, and I also saw, unfortunately, what they were doing to the animals for us to be able to have animal products as part of our diet. And I didn't want to be part of that cruelty anymore, so I decided from that day on I was going to be vegan. So the only problem is that I didn't know how to cook. So I had to quickly learn how to cook, and believe me, I started from zero, ladies and gentlemen. I did not know how to boil rice, and I did not know how to peel garlic. I didn't know anything about cooking. So I got a little help from going to the bookstore, and I found this little book. This was the first vegan cookbook that I ever bought. And I'm not a stoner, nothing against stoners, but I thought the name was silly, but the book is fantastic. It's got super short recipes with easy to find ingredients, and the illustrations are amazing. And it really was less intimidating than all the other books, so I started there. And then eventually I bought a few more cookbooks, and I'll put that on the screen for you. I took a video of that earlier. As you can see, yes, I have purchased a few cookbooks since then. But my goal for this channel is to inspire everyone to at least try vegan cooking, because I want to show you that it's not difficult. If I can do it, I just learned how to cook 6 years ago. I know anybody can do it. And if I can inspire people to eat better, become more healthy, and save more animals, then I think that's the purpose of this channel. I really think that would be a great thing. So I just wanted to give you my brief overview, and I hope you enjoy the channel, and I hope to see you back soon. Bon appetit!